Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex and today's word is backdrop, a C1 level noun meaning a background or setting. So, backdrop refers to the scenery or setting against which something happens or is viewed. It's what's behind the main action or subject. For instance, if you're looking at a photograph of someone at the beach, the ocean and sand in the back would be the backdrop. Some synonyms for backdrop include setting, background, and context. For example, the mountains provided a stunning setting for the wedding. The historical background to the novel was carefully researched. Understanding the political context is crucial to interpreting the speech. Now, let's explore some antonyms. Words that contrast with backdrop include foreground, focus, and subject. To illustrate, the main character was in the foreground of the painting. The photographer put the focus on the model. The true subject of the article was the endangered species. In everyday conversations, we often use backdrop to describe environments or situations. For example, the city provides a dynamic backdrop to his life, or the political backdrop to the negotiation was tense. Here are some more sentences. The play's backdrop was a medieval castle, or her life unfolded against a backdrop of constant change, or the team worked hard in the backdrop of a challenging economic situation, or we need a simple, neutral backdrop for the photo shoot. To summarize, backdrop is a noun referring to a background or setting, with setting, background, and context as synonyms and foreground, focus, and subject as antonyms. It's used to describe the environment in which events occur. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. Please support us by subscribing to the podcast and leaving a review. Your support helps other language learners find us. Now, I encourage you to create your own sentence using backdrop and share it in the comments below the video.